From the options in BSR Screen Recorder, you may adjust your settings. In the Screen tab, you have a region of the screen, a window, entire screen, multiple region, and auto pan. You may refer to the tutorials with the necessary titles for details. In a region of the screen, you have preset regions where you may save a setting which you are using frequently. Click Configure and click on New Preset. And when you click on Select Region, you may adjust the borders for YouTube if you are using YouTube frequently. And click OK. And you can write down its name as YouTube and click on Save. As you can see, in preset regions you now have YouTube. In the Video tab, you have recording options where you may adjust your settings. In the codec part, you may select automatic, or you may uncheck it and do it manually. In the output video dimension, when it's automatic, BSR Screen Recorder automatically adjusts the output video dimensions. If you want to keep it in the original size, you may uncheck it and lock the system, clicking on this button right here. Capture speed is also automatic by default. However, you may uncheck it and adjust the frames per second and lock it according to your desire. In the Audio tab, you may adjust your audio settings. You may choose your source as speakers, microphone, or other. By default, audio device is selected as default audio device. You may also reselect it according to your desire. You may also record mouse click sounds or keystroke sounds during your recording. In audio-video synchronization, by default, the system comes as automatic. However, if you're having gaps in your audio files, you may select Modify Only Video Stream, and your audio files won't be processed by BSR Screen Recorder. We may also adjust the settings for your volume. If the volume is too low, you may check Amplify Recording Volume. In the File tab, you may adjust your file settings. If you would like to change the names of the videos that are recorded by BSR Screen Recorder, you may use Change File Name Format button right here. By default, BSR Screen Recorder saves your files under the dates that are recorded. From the temporary folder and the photos folder options, you may change the folders or the locations of the folders according to your desire. In Take Picture File format, you may adjust the format of the photographs that are taken by BSR Screen Recorder. Your options are BMP, JPG, PNG. In the Hotkeys tab, you may observe the default hotkeys of BSR Screen Recorder. You may change the hotkeys according to your desire using the Edit button. In the Options tab, you have the timer of BSR Screen Recorder. Start recording on, enter the date and the time, and stop recording on, enter the date and the time, and select those two. In order to activate your timer, please do not forget to click on Start Recording button on BSR Screen Recorder. Otherwise, the timer will not be activated. You also have the other options like BSR signal sounds, disable screensaver while recording, run at corner, run in system tray, keep on top, stop recording at frame, hide screen recorder while recording, display all information messages and dialogues, disable help balloons, and show shortcut buttons on BSR interface. If you have selected Do Not Show this message to one of the windows in BSR Screen Recorder, please select Display All Information Messages and Dialogues to receive them back. From 3D Zoom settings, you may adjust the 3D Zoom settings. You may also refer to the Zoom tutorial from our website. By selecting Disable Help Balloons, you disable the balloons that appear while BSR Screen Recorder is running. Priority for BSR Screen Recorder. If you choose it as high, depending on your computer's performance, selecting high option may cause other applications run slower than normal only while recording for allocating more CPU resource on BSR. This gives the priority for BSR Screen Recorder to record better videos. In other settings, you have advanced options. From the About tab, you may see the number of the version you use in BSR Screen Recorder. If you would like to check for a new version, please use this button. Help button gives you local help. Troubleshooting gives you help from our web page and connects you to the internet. And we have the credits in the credits button. If you would like to restore your settings in BSR Screen Recorder, please click on Restore Defaults in the options. And we also have ECP, which is Estimated Capture Performance. This is a self-evaluating system of BSR Screen Recorder. You may see the definition of the estimated capture performance from this window.